72 divided by a triangle is equal to 36 divided by 4. What is a triangle equal to? Okay, so let's solve this algebra. But instead of using division symbols, let's make them into fractions. That usually helps you to visualize the equation in your mind. So 72 over 4 is equal to, sorry, that's not a 4, that should be a triangle. So 72 over triangle is equal to 36 over 4. You'll notice that the equation is exactly the same. Instead of writing division, we've just written things as fractions. Okay, so let's work to make this equation more simple. So we'll continue. 72 over triangle is equal to 36 over 4. But we know that 36 divided by 4 is equal to 9. So we'll leave that as a 9 there. Now, what we can also do is to move the triangle up to the other side by multiplying both sides by triangle. If we multiply the left side by triangle, the triangle will cancel out with the other triangle. But the right side, what you'll have left is 9 triangle. So we'll get 72 is equal to 9 triangle. Now dividing the 9 to the other side in the same way as we did before, we'll get 72 over 9 is equal to triangle. Or the triangle is equal to, now what's 72 over 9? We know that 8 times 9 is 72, so the triangle is equal to 8. So our answer here should be B.